Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque back with another video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to DSG Fart on any automatic DSG car. So DSG stands for dual clutch transmission. You can also do this on BMW's dual clutch transmissions, and yeah. So what you want to do is basically, I hear it more in drive, so put into drive and drive very hard. So when you hit about 4000, when it changes gear, that's when you can hear the DSG farts. I hear it more in drive, like I said, but yeah, all you have to do is drive the car hard. That's pretty much all it does. So when it changes gear, it's the characteristic of the DSG. That's how it just works. So yeah, that's what's gonna happen. If you put in sports mode, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. If you're in a BMW, put it into Eco Pro mode and go for it. Put your foot down a bit, and yeah, I notice I hear it more in third gear than anything, but yeah. Anyways guys, I'll give you an example of a DSG fart now. One last thing guys, it's quite hard to hear a DSG fart on a stock car, but it's possible. Like you hear it in this, because this is a stock Volkswagen Golf Mark 6. But yeah, it's better to get a resonator delete or muffler delete, and you will hear them a lot louder and more often. So yeah, enjoy guys.
We got it! We got it! Aye. We got it, bro!
Watching nobody actually filming.